Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to learn building sentences with the help of CVC Words to improve your reading skills. So let's get started. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So let's get started. Repeat after me. Fat, fat. At, cat. Fat, cat. Pam, Pam. Is at cat. Pam is a cat. So let's make it a sentence. Fat cat. Pam is a cat. Fat cat. Pam is a cat. Excellent! Good job, everyone. The cat. Cat is at fat. So let's get it together. The cat is fat. The cat is fat. Super! So let's try another sentence. It can run. So let's put it together. It can run. It can run. Well done, kids. Now let's try another sentence. It has a hat. So let's put it together. It has a hat. It has a hat. Nice job. So let's try another sentence. This is a long one. Pam is at red. It is a at fat, at rat, at cat. So let's put it together. Pam is red. It is a fat red cat. Good job, everyone. Good job. Now let's try another sentence. Pam ran and sat on the at mat. So let's put it together. ran and sat on the mat. Pam ran and sat on the mat. Super! Okay, now let's try this one. Repeat it after me, okay? So let's get started. The dog, dog. Tom, is a dog, dog. The dog is big, big. Tom is a big, big dog, dog. Big dog. Now let's put it together. The dog. Now the two words are together. Tom is a dog. The dog is big. Tom is a big dog. You see, we made a 4 or 5 letter sentences. Excellent! Now this topic is a hen. So let's get started and repeat after me. A hen, hen. Dad is a hen, hen. The hen is red, red. Dad is a red, red hen. So let's put it together and make sentences. A hen. That is a hen. The hen is red. That is a red hen. Well done! Now let's read this story. It's a bit long, but we can do it. So let's get started and repeat after me. Fat cat. Pam is a cat. The cat is fat. It can run. It has a hat. Pam is red. Pam ran and sat on the mat. Now we are going to read it. So repeat after me, okay? At fat. At cat. Pam. Is a cat. The cat is fat. It can run. It has a hat. Pam is red. Pam ran and sat on the map. Great job, everyone!